Hello, welcome to a quick trade breakdown from yesterday's 10RR trade. I'm going to get straight into it, starting with higher time frame, lower time frame, and then I'll also have my proof of entry here, which I'll zoom in on very soon. So, looking at the 4-hour and daily, I knew that we were at a valid level for us to create a new bearish extension and a new bearish range on the 1 hour. So very simply, 4-hour imbalance and daily order block lined up for me with our external swing high here on the 1 hour. What we've seen is our previous mitigation of our PDR, so we knew we were ready to head lower to our take profit here. Knowing we've now hit our PDR, we now work in between our IPDR for us to make our way down to our take profit to then create a new bearish extension essentially. So now we're in a bearish range. We got extension, PDR, IPDR, back to range extension, and it's a simple rinse and repeat process like that. So the IPDR that we were buying up to yesterday was this bearish fair value gap here on the 1 hour and on the 15-minute. So that was our target where we wanted to see a reversal. So obviously if we're buying up to that level there and we're in a bearish extension, we anticipated some form of bearish move from this level here in order for us to start heading back down to create a new bearish extension. Coming down to the entry itself, very simple. Obviously we have our 2 p.m. London time 4-hour candle open right here. With this candle open, obviously we want to see some form of manipulation, because the 4-hour candles will either extend or retrace, and as we can see here, obviously our 4-hour candle was retracing, ready for us to have our bearish extension like so. So with the 4-hour candle open, we're waiting for some form of valid SMT. We were originally looking at this low here, however we realized that it didn't line up on DXY and Euro USD, as in time wise it did not line up at all. They did not match, so we would not use this low whatsoever. We ended up obviously plummeting due to the news at 3 p.m. And then we create a new level that we wanted to see SMT off of right here. This is our level because we swept liquidity and broke structure. It lines up perfectly with DXY, as you can see where my cursor is. It lines up completely low to low, and then obviously as we sweep it there, we're in a valid level for us to buy off of in this sort of little range here, as we had reached the last point of true mitigation, which is the only valid point of interest in the discount of this little range right here. So reacting off the last point of true mitigation, while DXY swept at the exact same time, where the lows completely match up, it was perfect, exactly what we needed. And then obviously as you can see we took it full take profit straight up there, no partials. Zooming in on our entry, as you can see we entered at 8224, which you can see lines up with our entry down here, and then we exited at 8469, which again lines up right here, 8469. Don't take any partials, full volume, pretty much 10RR. Yeah, thank you for listening.